Land pollution is the contamination and degradation of Earth's land surfaces and soil. There are several causes of land pollution. They range from everyday rubbish to industrial and agricultural waste. Household waste is a large contributor to land and soil pollution. Household rubbish and small business waste can include glass, metal, cloth, plastic, wood, paper, batteries, tires, and oil. Our cities have a few municipal or town landfill sites where rubbish can be disposed of properly. Toxic substances dumped on the ground contaminate the soil and the groundwater below as well. Industries and mining companies dump chemicals, metals, and plastic that are used in the production processes. They use toxic metals like copper, mercury, and lead, which poison the soil and eventually leach into the groundwater. Agricultural sources of land pollution include chemicals like pesticides, fertilizers, and insecticides. When used excessively, these substances poison the soil and make it impossible for plants to grow. Land pollution affects people, animals, and plants. Disease and fires decreasing soil fertility and threats to human health are some of the effects of land pollution. Rubbish sites provide a breeding ground for rodents and insects, which transmit diseases such as diarrhea, typhoid, cholera, and dysentery. Methane gas, which builds up in organic rubbish, can create fires and explosions. Toxic chemicals and metals increase the levels of salinity in the soil and destroy organisms like bacteria and earthworm, which are necessary to keep the soil fertile. This leads to lower crop yields or to the conditions in which it is impossible for plants to grow, and the land has to be abandoned. Short-term exposure to contaminated soil can lead to skin and respiratory problems. Long-term exposure can cause serious health problems like cancer, affect the genetic makeup of the body, and cause congenital illnesses